We are already involved in an economic recession. The economies of the world cannot go back to how they were before this pandemic. And this recession is getting larger and larger and larger, and the weaknesses within the capitalist system that periodically show and come out, the interest-based system, which is not based on solid currency, it's an illusion. Periodically, it implodes on itself. It explodes from the inside. And we are witnessing this coming about. And the interest and usury after shirk may be considered one of the greatest sins in Islam. No other sin where it says if you are involved in it, harbun min Allahi wa rasulih, there will be war declared upon you by Allah and His Messenger. And so an interest-based reality, which is touching all of us, puts us in a condition of war with Allah and His Messenger. This is a test. And I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would enable us to come out of this pandemic, to come out of the looming economic recession. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would help us to come out of the unleashing of racist forces on this earth, that we will come out with the light of Allah as strong believers, holding fast to our message, regardless of the cost. And so we thank Allah Azza wa Jal for this opportunity with the opening of the masjids. And we pray that Allah would continue, that the masjids would open and continue until the masjid is completely transparent with society, and that the message spoken about in the house of Allah would reach the whole of humanity.